My name is Gene Lucas, and I am the owner of Hospitality Heating and Air Conditioning. We talked about over the years, man, if we just had our own company, how we would do things and things would be different. The name Hospitality, for a heating and air company is very different. My wife and I were, we're toying a lot of different things. She's like, let's do the pineapple, and that's the symbol for welcome. Your business is always welcome. You can call us, we're gonna take care of you. Hospitality, started it 11 years ago, just myself. Some of the things I wanted to do different with the company was the relationship with the employee.
They don't make them like Gene. Him and his wife, they're just two one-of-a-kind people. They're good to you, they take care of you. When they tell you they care about you, they really care about you. They care about their customers. I've worked for big companies down to the small companies, and I just can't see myself nowhere else. Nobody treats you as good as this guy will treat you.
No one works for me, they work with me. We're a team. I have a criteria that I look at for selecting an employee of the year. Personality, effort, someone who is consistent, willing to work with others to help, positive. And then what we do is we give them the ring, like I have on. One of the things that I found out with people that I've worked with, people that were involved in sports, they understand teamwork. I think it's a great foundation.
He's the first one to pick up the phone and says, what team needs this, what individuals need this.
They need more than just go to school and go home. I think extracurricular helps build. If those kids are wanting to do extra, they need to have a way to be able to do that.
Welcome, everybody. Thank you for being here. The 18th Annual Brett Ringer Memorial.
Obviously, we got to thank Hospitality Heating and Air for underwriting this event. It's a great event, and Coach Ringer is here.
One of the big things that we do every year is we are the presenting sponsor of a charity golf tournament.
Well, it's to remember my son who was killed in 2001. I just decided that we wanted to do something, positive in his name.
Hospitality Heating and Air really enjoys helping our community. We thank the community for the business they provide us, so we want to make sure we're giving back to those communities as well.
I don't know really a better person than Gene Lucas. He will help anybody that needs help.
I'm 44 now. People ask, Gene, when will you probably sell it? When will you retire? And I'm like, man, I don't know. I hope I die with my boots on, You never know what the future holds. You retire, whatever happens. But you look back and say, oh, man, Gene and his people, they did a great job.